भारतीय न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good evening, dear viewers, and welcome back to LAWgical Guru, the show where we simplify complex legal cases and bring you the most compelling courtroom dramas from across country. Tonight, we take you into the heart of a case that redefined the relationship between the citizen and the state. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy v. Union of India, also known as the right to privacy verdict. Now, my question to you all is, can the government collect and store your personal data without your consent? Is privacy just a luxury, or is it a basic right we all deserve? And how much surveillance is too much in a democracy like ours? Let's break this down together. So, how did this all begin? Well, back in 2012, a retired High Court judge named Justice K.S. Puttaswamy filed a petition in the Supreme Court. He was challenging the Aadhaar scheme, the biometric ID system introduced by the government. His main concern? That it violated the fundamental right to privacy at the time. Believe it or not, the government's stand was that the Indian Constitution did not actually guarantee privacy as a fundamental right. Yes, that's what they argued. But as public pressure grew and legal minds got involved, the case took on a much bigger life. It wasn't just about Aadhaar anymore. It became a fight for something deeper. Our constitutional identity, our personal freedom, and the power limits of the government. Now let's fast forward to August 24, 2017. That was the day when the Supreme Court made history. A 9-judge constitution bench gave us a unanimous verdict. They said loud and clear that the right to privacy is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution. That's the article which guarantees every citizen the right to life and personal liberty. This wasn't just a legal ruling, it was a major moment for Indian democracy. You might be wondering, what exactly did the judges say? Well, the bench led by Chief Justice J.S. Khehar and including names like Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice R.F. Nariman made a few crucial points. First, they said that privacy is not something given to us by the state. It's something we are born with. It's part of our human dignity. They explained that privacy isn't just about keeping secrets.
बस अभी 12th खत्म हुई थी और अब आधे से ज्यादा टाइम ये सोचकर निकाल देते हो कि which career to choose. Well, in that case, I got you covered. ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना, क्या पता I will just make up your mind. You must have thought of कोई बस ऐसा कोर्स मिल जाए जहाँ अनलिमिटेड जॉब ऑप्शंस हो, क्योंकि मैं भी यही सोचती थी, जैसे कि जर्नलिस्ट, न्यूज एंकर, रेडियो जॉकी, स्क्रीन राइटर, वीडियो एडिटर, इवेंट मैनेजर, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, सिनेमैट, फोटोग्राफर, डायरेक्टर, पब्लिक रिलेशन ऑफिसर, एंटरप्रेन्योर. इनफैक्ट इन सबसे भी ज्यादा जॉब ऑप्शंस चाहिए. तो जस्ट चूज BAJMC एज योर करियर. BAJMC is not just about theory but plenty of practical knowledge too. BAJMC as a course आपको provide करता है world की better understanding, meeting और working with people of top notch industry. और सिर्फ यही नहीं, BAJMC as a course आपको help करता है to grow personally and professionally too. So what are you waiting for? Choose BAJMC क्योंकि इधर आपको मिलेंगी endless possibilities.
It's about your personal information, your choices and your freedom from unnecessary government interference. They also took a bold step by overruling 2 older cases, MP Sharma from 1954 and Khadak Singh from 1962. Both had said that privacy wasn't a fundamental right. The Supreme Court firmly disagreed. And here is something very important. The judges said that if the government ever wants to interfere with your privacy, it must pass 3 tests. 1. The action must be backed by law. 2. There must be a clear need for it. And 3. The interference must be proportionate. It can't go overboard. So what does all of this mean for you and me? It means our personal data, whether it's on our phones, social media, health records, or even biometric scans can't be assessed by the state without proper legal justification. This case wasn't just about one scheme or one petition, it set the stage for future discussions on data protection, online rights, surveillance laws, same-sex relationships, reproductive freedom, you name it. In fact, this ruling forced India to start thinking seriously about digital privacy in the 21st century. And to sum it all up, this case reminded us that without privacy, our freedoms can't exist. And without freedom, there can be no real democracy. That's it for this episode of Logical Guru. Join us next time as we explore another real-life courtroom drama that has shaped the laws we live by. Until then, stay aware, stay empowered, and most importantly, know your rights.